This van is obviously in a hurry. It came so close that he almost hit me. He weaving in and out of traffic. Very dangerous. I originally passed this van approximately a mile and a half back. They had not even entered the highway yet. So, of course, they're speeding in and out of traffic. This car is on a mission to get to work on time. Speeding in and out of traffic, weaving. And here comes another car doing the same thing. In our state, you can go up to 10 miles over the speed limit, which I was doing. And cars drove past me like I was standing still. Very dangerous. Don't blink, because if you do, you'll miss this speeding car. Dangerous. Unfortunately, some drivers drive extremely fast in the slow lane. Very dangerous. Unfortunately, this is common driving in the United States. Bad driving. Hey, bud, what's the rush? Wow, driving that fast, must be late for dinner.